Now, what do I have here? That looks nice. I think I might enjoy that.
It was just, yeah. Do you want to make sure it's included? What's this, Ted? You got yours as well? There, you got my screen in there.
Whoa, Ted's got a puppuccino!
I don't think yours is recording. Look at him, look. Look at his eyes. He's staring forward. And what is this called? A puppuccino. It's not a pup, you're a doggy. Ted's first puppuccino, isn't it?
Oh.
And where do we get this from? Oh look, Starbucks. You love your puppuccino, don't you? You're so cute. Oh my god. You can keep it going, can't you? Is that good? I think it's all gone. You take the bit. You can chew on it. There's nothing more. I'll rotate it round. Rotate it round. Yeah. I know you. Oh, he's gonna take it now. He's finished. All gone.
Was that good, Ted?
Good boy. Look at him. Sweetie pie.